Hello children! I'm Teacher Aya, your online tutor. Today, we are going to read sight words. What are sight words? Children, sight words are words that we use most of the time when we are reading and writing. That's why we should learn how to read these words so we could be a good and a fast reader. Example of sight words are about, around, ask. Again, about, around, ask. Your turn to read, children. Best, better, blue. Again, best, better, blue. Your turn to read, children. Bring, brown, close. Again, bring, brown, close. Your turn to read, children. Cry, down, eat. Again, cry, down, eat. Your turn to read, children. Fine, five, funny. Again, fine, five, funny. Your turn to read, children. Give, goes, good. Again, give, goes, good. Your turn to read, children. Green, help, jump. Again, green, help, jump. Your turn to read, children. Let, long, make. Again, let, long, make. Your turn to read, children. Much. 9. Now. Again. Much. 9. Now. Your turn to read, children. Only. Open. Over. Again. Only. Open. Over. Your turn to read, children. Old. Play. Please. Again. Old. Play. Please. Your turn to read, children. Pretty. Rain. Red. Again. Pretty. Rain. Red. Your turn to read, children. Right. Right. 7. Again. Ride. Right. 7. Your turn to read, children. Laugh. 6. Soon. Again. Laugh. 6. Soon. Your turn to read, children. Stop. Take. 10. Again. Stop. Take. 10. Your turn to read, children. Thank. Think. 3. Again. Thank. Think. 3. Your turn to read, children. Today. 2. Up. Again. Today. 2. Up. Your turn to read, children. upon, walk, warm. Again, upon, walk, warm. Your turn to read, children. White, right, wood. Again, white, right, wood. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the words together. About, around, ask, best, better, blue, bring, brown, close, cry, down, 8, fine, 5, funny, give, goes, good, green, help, jump, let, long, make, much, 9, now, only, open, over, old, play, please, pretty, rain, red, ride, right, 7, laugh, 6, soon, stop, take, 10, tank, think, 3, today, 2, up, upon, walk, warm, white, right, wood. Great job, children! Remember to always practice reading so you could be a good and a fast reader. Also, please make sure that you have clicked the subscribe and bell button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.